How to enable inventory tracking in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. So this is a very easy and simple tutorial. Basically, in your Shopify store, you may have some stuff that you're selling, and maybe let's say you have 10 pieces left of a specific product. Let's say this one, and one person actually buys that product now, and you have nine now, and you want that to be automatic, and an automatic process basically where it's just going to count whether the inventory is decreasing, increasing, and so on, basically. So how do we actually do this? If we want to do that, you would just want to just open up your Shopify admin, and then from here you would want to just click on products or just go to the product section, and you can see here we have just one product, and under the inventory highlight here it says inventory not tracked. So how do we actually turn this on? We want to click on the actual product itself, and then you would want to just scroll down a little bit, and then you will find the inventory option here, where you will find track quantity. So just go ahead and select this, and once you actually select it, another option is going to pop up, which is continue selling when out of stock. This is if you pretty much guarantee that you will have more coming in. You can feel free to turn this on or off. It's completely up to you. But this, now that we have track quantity on, whenever someone actually buys a product of this, I mean, one piece of this product, is going to actually show that the available is now 1243 instead of 1244, and so on. It's just going to track it for you automatically, which is great. So just go ahead and click on save. And now if we just exit out of here, and we can see now that the inventory, it actually says how many of this product we have, instead of it saying inventory not tracked. And you can always just do it with newer products. So if you want to add a new product, it's going to be exactly the same process. Just go ahead and add a new product, and you actually won't find it in here. So let me just go ahead and add some random information here real quick just to fill those out. And let's just add a price here. And now we have the quantity here. And we have the inventory, which is track quantity. It should be turned on by default. And if we just add the quantity here, let's just do 1, 2, 3. Click on save. And it should actually show us that we have it. And now once you actually save it, the option is going to pop up, which is the continue selling when out of stock. And if we just go ahead and exit out of here, it should already show us the inventory that we have for that specific product. So yeah, you can just feel free to turn it on or off from this same option. So hopefully you found this very easy and simple tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.